baby.
You asked for it and now we got it. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. And if you've been on this channel long enough, you're probably seeing different things. You're probably now seeing me for the first time. Just to let you know, this is our first in-person videos. I've been doing screen records for the longest time now, and I realized that it is a matter of time before this caught up with me. So for all y'all out there who asked for this, man, come on, man, you guys not disappointing, right? You've probably been wondering whose voice that is that's resonating in the background, and voila, here it is in full glory. So guys, we have another lined up valuable video for you this week, so stay tuned. See you on the other side. Don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button, and if you haven't checked out our previous videos,
It'd be a lot cooler if you did.
so you've probably been wondering, how can you start a Forex live account without any deposit, right? Well, this week I did that exact thing. I figured, a lot of people are asking this. I've asked this for the longest time myself, and I figured, hey, I might try this out. And sure enough, there are ways you can start without any investments. That being said, you should probably exercise a lot of caution because Forex is a pretty volatile market. You should exercise a lot of discipline and discretion. So if you're planning on putting your investments in what I'm talking about, I am not a financial advisor or anything, and I'm not getting paid enough to do that. So you should take extra caution, guys. But thank you so much for being here. We are looking at a few apps that actually allow you to deposit $0 with no capital whatsoever needed. And our first candidate for this week will be webull. So webull has been around for the longest time now. It's a trading broker platform. It's a broker company rather. What that means is this is a company that allows you to buy certain commodities or assets or currencies through them, and then you get to predict and work out where the trade is going. So webull, actually what happens is they give you free stock upon registration. You enter your login details or your registration details, and they allow you to work with two stocks that they give you for free. And this is pretty exciting for new Forex or beginners out there who are probably not ready to invest a lot of money or no money at all, because who would want to spend money that they can't afford? So a lot of other trading apps probably want you to first, your minimum deposit is going to be somewhere between $10 and $100. So webull has actually given you this great opportunity where you can log in your details, sign up, and they will give you free stock. And what's best about this procedure or this platform is that they actually give you a referral code that you can share with your friends. And every time friends come into webull, or new friends that you've invited to webull get there and sign up, you actually get 2 more stocks for free.
It's free real estate.
What this means is once you have these 2 stocks, it means that you can actually these 2 stocks, please don't count the number of times I've said stocks, are given to you free of charge, and you can trade with them. And this gives you an upper hand because you're literally trading with stocks worth up to $250, and you have no risk whatsoever. So even if you lose that stock, if you trade with it in just a random way, just flip a coin, then you're not gonna be losing any of your money. So that's the one app that I was able to come up with and to find at this time. The other app is, but this isn't really an application. I have heard that it's more of a desktop version of it, and I went ahead and checked it out, and what I found was actually true, because their website is far more fluid. It's very interactive. It has a broad and bigger interaction platform compared to its app, because the app sort of keeps dying on people. I've seen the complaints online. This app goes by the name Interactive Brokers, or IBKR, something like that. I'll probably edit that part out. Anyway, so guys, this app has also been around for the longest time now, and what it does is it also gives you free deposits, also depending on how much you're willing to deposit. If you're willing to deposit more than $100, then it's going to give you free, or rather bonuses to invest. I know that's not exactly lucrative enough, so this is where that part comes in. Once you get registered, they actually give you free $20 worth of currencies that you can work with. I am not sure whether this was a promotion that was time based. I'm not sure, but you can go ahead and check them out. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description down below, so while you're down there scrolling, be sure to hit that like button. So anyway guys, those are the two apps that I was able to come up with. I'm sure it is not as a lot as you probably expected. Usually a lot of these broker companies will give you bonuses once you deposit a certain amount of money. That being said, you can find a lot of broker companies that are willing to train you and even hire you as one of their traders. So if you're a professional trader out there and you don't know what platforms you want to go to that will actually give you free capital to trade for them with, then this is probably a good chance to go out and check webull and Interactive Brokers platforms. And guys, I think I'm done this week. This being my first time doing this, I am really tense. So throw it in the inbox, tell me what I did wrong, comment, like the video, I don't know, and be sure to leave a like, guys. This is a huge sacrifice I'm doing here for you guys, but be sure to check those applications out. They are pretty important, and if I've missed something out, be sure to also let me know down in the comment section. So that's it guys, man. Have a great rest of your day.